Hello everyone, here I am back with my new gadget, that is Sony ch400 wireless stereo headset, and it can be connected via Bluetooth, NFC, and you can receive call from here. The battery backup is around 20 hours. Okay, then let's unbox it. Well, actually I have already unboxed it, but just for the video I am unboxing it again. Here you will get USB to micro USB cable and the headset. Here are some user manual, I believe. Let us see what is there inside. Okay, this is the guide how to set up or pair your USB headset with your mobile phone, and this is the reference guide. This is the user manual where you can find the instructions how to set up your mobile with your headset and other functionality of the headset, like how to turn it off, turn it on, how to charge. Okay, you can find it here. Let's see the headphone. This is very beautiful headphone. Well, it can be extended. This is the right side, this is the left side. Okay, you can extend. This is the normal position. You can extend it till here. You can extend it till here. Okay, this is the on and off button. And you can also receive the calls from here, and you can increase the volume from here, increase or decrease the volume from here. And if at all you are playing any song, you can switch the track. Just press it for 2 or 3 seconds. It can be switched. You can charge it. This is the micro USB slot. Okay, this is for the NFC if you want to connect it via NFC. These are the microphones. Okay, this is the basic thing. The power backup here is very good. It lasts for around 2 days depending upon the usage, and the market price, which is the MRP, is around 4,990 rupees, Indian rupees, and you can get it on the online site, that is Amazon India, at around 3,200 rupees, and I would recommend it. It is a good buy, I believe. Hope you like the videos. Please like, subscribe and share the videos. Thank you.